Alrighty guys, just to show that this worked, I'm going to show you real quick how to bleed the transmission from air. First thing you want to do, set your parking brake. You're going to go in the back, disengage transmission. You're going to fire it up, and you're going to put it to low speed. And once you're at low speed and it's running, we'll just do this real quick. Low speed. Then you're going to disengage the brake. Count to 5 seconds forward, count to 5 seconds backwards. Do this 3 times. See how it started to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's telling me we're pretty good. So let's go ahead, set the e-brake, shut it off, engage. Now we should be able to go. Alrighty guys, that's how you bleed your system. Simple as that. We locked up the transmission. We're actually able to drain the fluid, flush it out. I have a video on that, so if y'all want to take a look at some of those videos on this thing, feel free. We also redid the deck on it. Transmission, hopefully you can get a couple more cuts out of it. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I'll be able to use it, y'all. Take care, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, comment, and let's get 1,000 subs, y'all. Take care. God bless y'all. Peace.